Hi everyone, this is your facilitator Vishok Verma. In this upcoming online workshop, we are going to explore finer aspects of scene work like listening, vulnerability, pauses, breathwork, etc. We will use them to play longer scenes with better engagement, intensity, depth and direction. Also, we will try to exhibit a variety of characters, emotions, wants, etc. I believe it will help us to make our fellow players look better, feel good for ourselves and play wonderful scenes. Now, who would find this workshop most useful? The first, people who have participated in a basic level improv workshop or have participated in 5 improv jams. They may be online or offline. A combination of a workshop and jams would make you feel more comfortable with the introduced concepts. Second, people who are practicing improvisers or teachers. You may learn and explore a different perspective. You may also visit your old exercises, learn a new ones and polish your skills. The third, people who wish to effectively learn and nourish basic frameworks for long-form improv and narrative formats. The details about workshop registration, schedule, mechanism, etc. are provided with the link. Also, my contact details are attached. So, if you have any queries or concerns, please do reach out. I am excited to share and exchange joyful insights with you all. See you there.